Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic Lumix DC-ZS80 digital camera and you need to do a factory reset back to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this camera is not working properly, if it seems to be bugging or not responding, stuff like that, a lot of this stuff can be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. The second reason is there's a ton of settings on here and you can go through and change them all manually or whatever. But if you're just trying to get a fresh start, you want everything back to the way it was when it came out of the box for whatever reason, we can just go ahead and do this, and it's super simple to do. It's just a couple of button pushes. All we need to do is come in and hit the menu set button to open up the menu on the screen. And then from there, all we need to do is select the setup with the wrench sub-menu, setup, wrench, sub-menu, and then from there we select reset. So simple as that. Menu, setup, wrench, sub-menu, reset. And you just follow the prompts and you'll be able to reset everything back to the way it was when it came out of the box.